guys, it's Emmanuel here, and today I will be doing an unboxing. Yeah! So I got a new Beyblade. Bottom. So it is Ray Striker. Pretty cool, huh? It includes assembly tool, record launcher, yeah, we know. Assembly instructions. Beyblade Metal Masters Performance Officer and Hasbro. So here's a good glimpse of it. Really cool, can't wait to unbox it. So, yeah. The deck. It's the D125CS attack type. Size is linear with Ray Striker. Something right here. So, let's go look at the back. Got Beyblade Metal Masters, Bolt Blastanium, Performance Tip CS, 4 stars, attack and 3 stars stamina for the tip, 2 stars defense, and 1 star stamina for the defense track listed as the D125. Hitboard, defense, and ridge. And this one says coating spike, steadies top, and provides quick movement. Fusion wheel Ray, which is 4 attack stars, 2 defense stars, and 1 stamina star. Baseball, NG range striker, 1 star stamina, 2 star defense, and 4 stars. Sorry about that. Attack. Sorry. So yeah. And I'm a bit sick, because you can see. So yeah, I'm sick. So, but I'm still gonna do a video for the people. As for now, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, I gotta go just go get some. Wait. Yeah, I gotta go get something. Okay. So for now. Take a look. Just look at this. Right now, if it can stand up. Or you want that. But I'm gonna put this right there, and don't go anywhere, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. So get some scissors. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing. I'll just move all the stuff in there. Sorry about that. Okay, Ray Striker. Won't open. It will. It's gonna open. Okay, so okay. Oh, okay, so it's open. Okay, so is this? Okay, so let's unbox. So let's get this. here is the ripcord, the green ripcord. Now, I'm just going to bend this so that way it can actually be without ink, so I won't damage my launcher. So, yeah, I just made it way straighter. So, yeah. Oh, okay, stickers. Yeah. Got that. There's a launcher. Pretty cool. And assembly tool. And the instructions, everybody knows. So I just leave that right there. And for now, we just get all this stuff and put it right here. Wow. And let's unbox the main attraction. Okay, so unbox. Okay, so this isn't exactly. Oh, okay, here we go. Now unbox the Beyblade. Still unboxed. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay. Alright. So here's the Beyblade. Beyblade. Sorry about the switching that. Now let's take this off. Oh. So let's take everything out. Anchoring. Fusion wheel. Spin track. And performance tip. So let's build it. Wait. Let me just put this back inside. Wait. Here, I'll just do it later. So let's build it. And here is a complete Ray Striker. Now, stay tuned for part 2. And, because this is already long enough. And you'll see the test watch and the stickers.